Got that. Look at the lights, man. Look at the lights. Look at the lights, baby. Give it a start, y'all. Yes, sir. What up, YouTube? We just put back in the shop. We're about to get this working. You already know. Today, I'm about to try to literally go on a good ride on this on the Road King right here. So pretty much we got everything said and done. I gotta just go ahead and pick up these rotors. I've been waiting on them to come online and they're finally here. So I'm about to go grab the rotors, go to Harley and get the bolts for that front wheel right there. As soon as we get that, we are about to come back and hopefully go for a test pass. We got the seating upholstery. I have another stock seat I can use. And then we got the wraparound in the paint shop still. So I just want to make sure everything on here is good. I got the wheels balanced. I want to make sure everything is good. So when I do that, I'm going to go home, take it there, wash it, bring it back here, fix the oil leak. That wash does everything when it comes to the oil leak because I could go under the bike, wipe it, see exactly where it's coming from. When you're in the shop in here, it's hard with the lightning and then everything I'm doing on the bike, cam covers I'm taking off, top engine covers, primary, it's just fluid all over the place. So I want to power wash it, degrease it, get it fresh and clean, ready to go. So that's what we're about to do today. And then we're going to come back and get the rest of this working on the rest of these joints, man. So stay tuned, we sliding. If you haven't went ahead and entered the 2017 giveaway, please enter copy a beanie for that joint. Trying to get this Altima one day and be in something like that right there, baby boy. That McLaren is dope. That shit is so nice. One day though, man. Until then, we gonna be thugging, hustling out these joints. But we know what we working for, big dog. So we finally got our rotors. Don't worry about that rust. Once we hit the brake, it's gonna slide off and be all metal. Then we got our nuts. With these enforcers, you must have the washers with the bolts. That's the only way it's gonna work. That right there just gave me faith. We for sure gonna go on a test ride on my boy Denny Road King today. That's the only thing I needed. Now all I gotta do is go ahead and get the bezel for the headlight. I'm gonna get the bezel and then I gotta get the neck for the bars. I had one that was aftermarket in the shop already, but that one seems to be, I don't know. So basically, the bolts that go through the triple tree that goes to the risers that hold the bars is too long, and I feel like I needed to switch it. So I left my boy right here. He actually gave me some extra bolts. So I'm gonna try these shorter ones. If these shorter ones work, I could for sure use those and we'll be good to go. No problems about anything. So let's get it and stay tuned, man. We sliding, getting it in. Back in the shop, man. You already know what time it is. About to install these pieces now on these parts. Let's get it. So about to put the rotors on these wheels. And then right here is the bolts I'm talking about. That bolt goes right there. Let me zoom in. See how it's touching that? So we're gonna put a shorter bolt up in there, man. we got the rotors on. Like I said, disregard the look. Once I get the bike rolling, that shit gonna look fresh and new with the rust off of there, just like that one. But I'm ripping all this music stuff off. I don't like it with the way it was done. Whoever did it never put the quick disconnects. That's why that bag, the previous odor bag, was always hanging. And then we're gonna take these plastic things off. You don't want these, that shit is trash. Taking these off in that tube. We're gonna put 4 6x9s in the bag with the Bluetooth system, quick disconnects, and the on and off switch outside the bags. So we're about to go to Harley. This one is not gonna work right there with these bars. I gotta get a 1 1/2. So I'm 1 1/4. So I'm gonna go to Harley, go buy the whole neck right now. I'm about to buy that neck, come back, reinstall the bars, and then tighten the battery, rip the music off, and then I'm about to go ride this thing and go get a wash. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, we getting it in. About to have this thing on its way, baby boy, and this one right after. So stay tuned. I like that blue. That color looks good. Yeah, got some dope shit. Harley got some clean shit, man. So we slide them, got our parts. So this is what we needed. They already, everything is still new, but they gave me a discount only for almost like 130. This thing is almost 200 bucks, but this is what we need, man. So I'm about to go install this on the bike and hopefully get this ride in. So exciting to see these things come together. And I can't wait to experience this ride of a lifetime, you know? So we sliding, getting it in, man. About to head back to the shop and make it do what it do. Stay tuned, we slide. So we just pulled back in the shop. This is what we just went and picked up from Harley. We're about to go ahead, finish ripping this music out, take this back apart, and switch out these bars and the connector to hold it real fast. So stay tuned, let's get it so we can try to go for our first ride, man. I had an important phone call I had to answer, but we got the new ones on there. This is the new neck, and you see how the bolt stopped right there, and the bars fit flush inside. So let me give y'all a glimpse. See how that's nice and smooth. This side is up a little bit because there's brake line, but we about to put the top piece on there, man. So stay tuned. We almost there. We slide, getting it together, big dog. See what's going on. Got this thing looking good. Got the bags on there. This is a temporary seat. We got the bars on there nice and tight now. Everything is looking good. We got all 3 HID LED headlights. So I have to leave the blinkers on to test the lights. You want to make sure everything is functional before you hop in traffic and just start riding. That's for sure. So got that. Look at the lights, man. Look at the lights. Look at the lights, baby. Got the switches. They working on time, not all the time. I mean, all the time, on time. We got it though, man. Y'all see what's going on? Flick of the switch. Flick of the switch. Let's leave them things on though. So, get this thing to start, man. Neutral. I hear that fuel pump. Hear the fuel pump. Let's hear that block. We got the pump. Oh, that was the cruise control on. Let's give it a start, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, baby boy. We are about to slide, big dog. Yes, sir. About to get it in, man. Jack so it can stop vibrating, but we got it going. Got that clutch tight. Give it a little gas. Yes, sir, baby boy. We good to go, man. Telling y'all, we coming. Y'all be trying to rush Dre, man. Y'all gotta give your boys some time, man. We coming. We not trying to rush out with things falling off or missing or none of that, man. I want to make sure everybody is good to go, sounding and looking good. Because at the end of the day, it is my name on it, man. So it's like, you got to make sure it's right, man. But that was everything I need to see after the little work. And like I said, we are not fully done. I still have washers to put on. I got some chrome levers like these. I'm getting the wrist replaced. Windshield is right here. These things won't stay at the moment just because these are too small. I need to get the rubber ones. The rubber ones is gonna do it. But we got it going though, man. I promise y'all, we are sliding. So let's go to my mom's. I gotta get me a helmet. Then I'm gonna pull back up here and we're gonna go for a ride and a wash on this joint, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, we working, and we damn sure getting it in, man. So y'all see what's going on, big dog. Sliding.